Hello guys, good evening to all. Welcome to this channel about jobs. Today in this video, I'm going to sharing about a requirements, a latest openings from Romania. Romania is a European country. So if you are looking for a job in a European country and if you want to move with a job to a European country, I hope this will be a best chance and a good chance for you. So don't miss it, this chance. In this video, I will share with you what is the positions and what is the salary and how to apply everything details. So please keep in mind this all requirements needed experience holder, international experience holder. That means you should have experience in home country and also international or overseas countries. So let's start. You can see here urgently required from Romania. I already told you Romania is a European country and very beautiful and best and economics established country. So position number one, systems network admin. They want system networks admin, but they did not declare how many candidates. Okay, so this all information is shared by the employer or by the company. So they mention only they need systems network admin and they will pay 1000 American dollars. And keep in mind, in every positions needed experience holder, international experience holder with regarding same professional, same qualifications. Okay, position number two, JavaScript programmer. They will pay 1200 American dollars and they also need same. mm, you should have the qualifications regarding JavaScript programming and you should have experience in home country and also in international or overseas countries. Position number three, quality control technician. They will pay $1200 and they also need same things. You should have the qualifications and experience regarding these quality control technicians. Okay, if you are confusing, if you don't have idea that in the all positions what is the exact qualifications, you can find on Google or you can ask your friends or relatives that as a to work as a quality control, to work as a JavaScript, to work as a system network, what should have the qualifications. But I hope the qualified, the educated and experience holder, they already know what is the needed the experience, what's needed the qualifications for positions. So as a quality control technician, you should have the qualifications and also international experience. Next, PHP developer. This is all about programming jobs, software develop jobs. So according to that positions, you should have the qualifications and the experience with overseas international experience. They will pay $1400 for PHP developer. And next, CNC operator, then mechanist, MIG, MIG welder, metal fabricator, industrial electrician, industrial painter, mason, auto electrician, and also shuttering carpenter. So they already mentioned the exact salary they will pay for these positions. Like CNC operator, they will pay $900, mechanist they will pay $900, MIG welder $750, metal fabricator $750, industrial electrician $750, industrial painter $650, mason $600, auto electrician $700, and shuttering carpenter they will pay $600. So they did not mention the quantity of candidates or how many candidates they need. They only mention the positions they and the salary. So as soon as possible, if you have the qualification regarding these positions and experience also, you can apply. I will tell you how to apply. So next thing I would like to share with you, Algeria also a country. For Algeria, needed aluminum fabricator, they will pay $550 plus $150 for fooding. So if you are interested and you have the qualification and experience regarding these positions, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. How to apply? They mention free food accommodation provided by the company. It's as usual, any international or overseas country, they're hiring the candidates, they will pay the food and accommodations. It's as usual. So they mention contact with your biodata, trade test certificates, passport copies, and photo. So you should have to gathering the documents, your CV or biodata or resume, same things. Then trade test certificate, your experience certificate, your training certificates, and passport copies and photo. photo with white background. They did not mention, but as usual for international job you should have the picture or photo, passport size photo with white background. So you should have to gathering these documents, then you have to contact to that office. I already mentioned you, this is the office in Mumbai. You have to contact them. You can send your CV and documents of scan copy to this email ID. Otherwise you can go and directly contact to the office. Okay, but one thing I am telling you again and again, please keep in mind, never give a single money to any persons before you getting job or before you getting any work visa. Please keep in mind the same things I already told in my previous videos, that never provide any single money to any persons without job and without work visa. If you will pay any money before visa and before jobs, then I am not responsible for this. Okay, so this information I collect and I would like to share with you. Maybe it will be helpful for your careers. So I can suggest you go to the visit to the office, contact them, email them your documents, and you can talk with by their telephone numbers. But I'm telling you, before getting any jobs, never give a single money to any persons. Okay, please keep in mind. And if you will pay any give any money to any persons, I'm not responsible for that. I'm telling you again and again. And if you check my previous videos, I already told the same things. Please never provide any money to any persons without visa or without jobs. So once again, I would like to tell you, if you are looking for a job in a European country, this is a requirement from Romania, and the positions, the different types of several types of candidates, several types of professions of jobs are available here. They already mentioned what is the jobs and what is the salary, and this is the contact details, office address. You can directly visit to the office and you can ask them about these requirements. So I hope you have no confusion, you have no worried, because in my previous videos I am getting so many confusing comments how to apply and how to get these jobs, so many confusing comments. Please don't be confused, the all information is in front of you, don't be confused. If you are interested, you want to apply for any positions this listed, you can directly visit to the office, you can email your documents, you can directly talk by telephone. So this is the all information I have and I already shared with you. So don't be confused. This is a requirements from Romania, European country. If you are interested, you can apply by this process. I hope you have no confusion and you have no doubt and you are not worried for these requirements. So finally, I would like to say you many thanks for your valuable time for watching this video up to end. And in the next video, I will share with you latest jobs and new requirements from another country. So please, up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.